Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install Discord on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Discord, simply open any browser and search for Discord and open the link from discord.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. Now to download Discord desktop application, simply click on download option and here you'll find download for Windows option. Simply click on it and wait for the download process to complete. Once the download has been completed, simply open the Discord installer file. So here we have the Discord installer window. Let me minimize the browser and wait for the installation process to complete. Once application get installed on a system, you can simply scan this QR code with your Discord mobile application, or you can simply enter your email address and password to use Discord application on Windows 11. So that's it. This is how you can install Discord on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.